Bukas, pasok.
NBI!
NBI!
NBI, don't move! Don't move!
Down!
Don't move! Don't move! Get down! Get down! Get down! Get down! Get down! Tingnan mo ha.
Sige. Open.
What are you doing? Up! Oh, raise your hand ha.
Personal phone? Hold the phone down.
Move up there, go. Kasi yung mga sulok-sulok mo yung kayo.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are all under arrest, okay, for violating Philippine law, particularly Anti-Financial Accounts Scamming Act, in relation to cybercrime law of the Philippines. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you, for or against you. You have the right to counsel of your own choice. If you do not have a counsel, the government will...